About the mind. Now, any of you know where is the mind? Oh, can we go to the Google and search? Mind is not there. If it's there, then definitely it's easy to know, okay, our mind is there. Okay, mind is basically a processor where it has to be calm all the time. Keep your mind calm. Okay, that's why today if you're looking at the religious bodies and the faith, they are teaching you something to keep your mind calm. But ultimately, what is your goal? Keeping your body fit, you're keeping your mind calm. But what do you want to do? Ultimately, you want to reach your soul inside. You want to realize that. Keep it healthy. The purpose of the journey, which is the ultimate powerhouse for every being. The day you realize that, these things will be automatic. So now today I'm going to talk about the body. Inside the body, our brain is an integral part, which is a very, very important organ. Alright? Okay, how do we learn in our day-to-day life? We learn through different ways, right? And one of it's through the 6 ways we learn. One is your touch, second is your visual, smell, auditory, taste, and the 6th one is your rational mind. That's only for human beings. Now here, I have given a little message here. Happens only when your brain is calm. Only when you are calm, it functions normally. Then, I put it as biovibes. Biovibes is basically your energy fields outside your body. It should be minimum 10 and above. There's a scale for it, right? Now, when are you going to switch it on? You can switch off the brain and switch on the brain. You can do that. But for that, you need to learn the techniques. Then it's easy for you. Now, today I'm here to give you the information, a new concept for training your brain. But it's a very old concept. It's almost 10 years old in the world. But in Malaysia, it's very new. It's almost 3 years old. But I wish, once you know what is this, please look into it. It will definitely, you can make things better in your life. The most important structure to live in this world is the brain. Without that, you cannot even move, right? And it's the most highly evolved in Homo sapiens and very complex in nature. Even today, doctors are not able to understand how it functions. Many times, it's the hidden areas are many. Doctors don't know. We cannot reproduce a brain. Okay, for simple knowledge, the brain plus the spinal cord, the one behind your back, is called the central nervous system. Because that's the main one which is controlling the whole body. Then we have the forebrain is in the front. Then you have the hindbrain which is behind, and the brainstem is in between here. Okay, function part of it, everybody know. You think, your memory, your behavior, your hearing, learning, emotion, your language and touch, visual processing, balancing, coordination, breathe, then heart rate, temperature. Most of the thing takes place in your brain. But do you know that how it does? It is called automatic nervous system, wherein it is programmed. You don't have to do anything. It will do automatically. Your heart beats automatically. The day you're born in this world, until you die, it goes on beating, whether you want it or not. And the weight of your brain is almost 1,300 to 1,400 grams. In fact, they have tried to weigh the brain of Albert Einstein, who was one of the top scientists in the 19th century, and they did find that his was around 1,500. A little heavier. Okay, now do you know that the brain is split into 2, like left and right? Alright? How many of you know what the left brain does and what the right brain does? So I just give you a glimpse of it. If you're talking about the left brain, a list of things up to 18 are given. Actually, there are a lot more than that. Just to remember, lines. You know lines? It's in your left brain. Then words, numbers, list, logic thinking, analysis, speaking, reading, writing, science, mathematics, right hand. When you're right hand, your left hand is the one which is more active. Then mathematics, then your time sequence, holistic thinking, then unexpected ideas, unusual solution, fast reactions, process, info, all. Now we are talking about the right brain is here. It divides the colors, daydreaming, 3D vision is processed in your right brain. Then imaginative synthesis, spatial task, creativity, art and music. When you are left hand, your right brain is the one which processes, recognizes faces, recognizes places, objects, it's your right brain. Linear thinking, making database, presentations, and Anyway, these are all a little more deeper, don't go into that. The simple thing is, when both the brains are balanced, your way of analyzing things will be faster. We need to have a balanced thinking, we need to have a balanced way of approach to a particular situation. So in that way, okay, now let it be an interactive session, probably you can help me out. Can you tell me the color? You have to just read the color. Read the color. I'll give you an example, black. Only the color, huh? Okay, go ahead.
Black, green, red, blue, black, green, yellow, purple, red, pink, green.
Like that. Okay, what's happening here? One side of your brain is telling the color, the other side of the brain is telling the word. Right? Now imagine if you all can go through this regularly and make your brain balance. Your life is easy. Beautiful. Okay, how many of you all knows that we all our brain waves are something that you all have heard of alpha waves, beta waves? Yes? Okay, for simple knowledge purpose, beta waves are the ones which functions between 15 to 30 hertz per second. When you know, that means it's moving at a faster rate. When you're talking about alpha, today there are a lot of people teaching about alpha method of meditation, alpha method of learning abilities. This comes, your brain wave should be slightly lower. That means it's somewhere between 9 to 14. It will be mostly relaxed, calm, meditative, creative visualization. When you go a little more deeper, that is your theta waves, which is between 4 to 8 hertz. Deep relaxation, once again, and deep meditation, then problem solving. How many of you have problems and you want to solve? Your brain wave should be here. But if your brain wave is here, how are you going to solve your problems? Simple, isn't it? So bring down. You have to break it down. There are simple methods. Then how about this one, the delta wave, which is the last. 1 to 3 hertz, deep, dreamless sleep. You don't have to dream. It's a very beautiful experience. You should be in that state actually. Now when you all can function at a lower level, at least day-to-day life, your function should be somewhere here. But beta wave also is very, very necessary. For example, if your beta wave is at 15 cycles per second, is good. 16 cycles per second, really okay. 17 cycles, okay. 18, that's it. After that, not okay. Imagine if your brain waves 18 cycles per second, after that it goes to 19, sorry. Your rationalization is taken away. You cannot rationalize. Now, do you understand that a person, an youngster comes and just snatches your chain and then he runs away, right? Now, how fast his brain is functioning must be about 25 to 30. He cannot rationalize. He cannot think that would cause harm to a person. He won't. Now, do you all want to do something irrational in your life? No. Everyone wants to be very rational. So, how are you going to know that you are rational? So, your brain wave should be minimum 18 and below. Just only 4 waves you can go above. After that, sorry, you cannot go above that. And imagine if it is running at 30 cycles per second. How will it be? They are the drug addicts. When it is a very high speed, they won't know what they are doing. But aren't you seeing in your day-to-day life, when you go outside itself, it's so scary. People are living like that. The red signal will be there, just going straight, zip. They are not even bothered. It's okay, they'll be just passing across you. Now why? No rationalization. So what I wish to let you know that please, you have to be rational. You are a human being here. We are not here to be irrational and proclaim that what we are doing is right. Sorry, don't do that. So for you to know your rationalization, come to us, we will show you what level is your brain based functioning today. Isn't it easy for you? At least once. You don't have to come and do it every day. Once in a while, know your brain. Then there are techniques which you all can follow. Practice it. It's very beautiful. Okay, can we check the brain waves? Yes. It should be right. Okay, how do we check? Anybody? How do we check? First of all, we never checked it, so how do we know? Right or wrong? Okay, the only way to this one is, it's called EEG, electroencephalogram, which is available only in the hospitals. Only in the hospitals. And only when you're mentally wrong, only they will go there and then they will check your brain. Let's say, sorry, it's a little in aggressive state. So normally we don't do that. But today, I'm here to let you know that we have an instrument to check your brain waves, and I will show you. Print out and give you how your brain is functioning. Isn't it good for us? It's beautiful. The moment I saw this machine, I got excited. I bought the machine and I started working with it. There's a lot of beautiful things I'm able to do, and I will show people. People want to see, right? So it's a very beautiful thing. Now that machine is called Neuroharmony, which is from Korea. It's a neuroharmony. That means your brain making into harmony. Something like this. You can see the brains. Okay, what's big about this? Neuroharmony produced in Korea, and it's certified by FDA, and it has been certified by all the Psychologists Association of US. But frankly speaking, I'm not excited if anybody says US is promoting and US is giving us a for me, because as I said, 10 years ago they said good medicine, you all can take. After 10 years, the same FDA will say sorry, it's giving a lot of reaction, we are pulling it back. It's the same FDA. And on the other side, isn't it a shame that your country is producing all the so-called high-class medicine, and you people are dying with number 1 heart disease, number 2 is your cancer, number 3 is with the drugs? Isn't it a shameful thing in that way? Holistic, where we have the Chinese medicine, the Indian oil is much better. We are not dying of complications. Only thing we don't look into it. As he said, drugs are drugs, 100%. It's a chemical you're putting. If you come and talk to me, I will say you're taking a chemical inside. And he did say one tablet will give you 70 side effects. Why you want all the side effects and all? We don't want any effect only. Why you want side effects? So it's something which you all need to look into and then go into a different plane of life. Okay, this research has been for more than 10 years, and most of the schools, this is the most beautiful part of Korea. Today Samsung is from which country? Korea, right? Samsung? Isn't it one of the leading manufacturers of mobile phones? Now, how is it these guys are very intelligent? Do you know that their technological advancement is far high? Even US is scared of North Korea, you know, because those guys are very intelligent. Now, what's happening is, these guys, the schools are provided with this equipment, what I have personally with me. Every school has got. And all the children in the school above 5 years should go into the laboratory for 40 minutes every day and play the games with that particular instrument. And it automatically changes your intelligence. You become much more emotionally stable. Your intelligence is we will show you, 6 months, we will show you that the results are there. Isn't it amazing? And Korea is doing. And they have spent almost 75 million, for the schools to buy the instrument and put it down there to the schools. Now, why not we bring it to our schools and give it to our children? Why not? But it will be political. We won't be able to do that. Anyway, at present only 2 countries are manufacturing this product. One is the US, of course, everybody are fascinated by the US, of course they are there. And number 2 is Korea. But the US product is almost 8,000 ringgit when you are buying that. But Korean is almost 4 to 4,500. It's much cheaper, and definitely the function wise is the same. Okay, what are the benefits? There are 8 levels which you can actually look into this particular brain technological advancement. What we do is you can improve your creativity. Isn't it good? You can relax much better. If anybody says, okay, doctor, I am doing meditation for 10 years, 15 years, I say, fantastic, very good. Come check your brain waves. Then if you are calm, your brain waves should be calm there, right? It's simple. I guess what I say is, today we have something, you all know where you stand. Don't proclaim certain things and just analyzing, assessing your own self. Don't do that. Today we have something, check yourself, you will know where you are. Because there is a program inside this, it will tell you whether you're in a meditative state or not, the machine will show you. It will give you marks. You should be 100% meditative state. Beautiful. If you're 60%, it will say improve. And it will give you some games to be played inside. And once you come to a particular state, then say, okay, 100%. Then beautiful. That means you are in a meditative state. It is beautiful. Then comes your left and right brain balancing, very, very important. We need to balance. In my research, as of today, almost I've checked around 400 to 500 people in my office here. And invariably, most of them, either the right brain will be very active, some people left brain will be very active, some people both the brain not active at all, but they are living in the world. It's surprising, it's surprising. Now, is it really surprising for us to understand that if this particular child, we show her where is the house and then we just live one out of the road, can she not go to the house? Don't we know which is our car? We all know, right? Because already brain is recorded. So what are we doing in our everyday life? It is a programmed life we are doing every day, morning, get up, meeting up. We're just doing this. So there's no big deal. Because you're being programmed like that. Now you need to change. Become much more smarter, much more creative. Do something new every day. Why you want to do the same routine all through your life and say, I did like this, and when you die, you are not happy also. So start living a life with positive wisdom. Now attention, most of the parents complain, my child doesn't, cannot concentrate, cannot get. Why? Because when the left and right brain are imbalanced, definitely there will be attention will be changed. Then comes concentration. How many of us can concentrate? I can bet most of the adults we are all here cannot concentrate for 5 to 10 minutes. Because our mind is occupied with so many problems and so many situations, we cannot even sit in one place. But here we have a machine which will train your brain, it will train, and automatically you can concentrate. You know what to do. Focusing, it becomes beautiful. Memorization. This is another beautiful system that we all want to, learn, keep it in the brain, reproduce it. That's what we all want, right? For that, your brain should be calm. Then only we can do that. Which also this machine will help you to do that. Self-control. That's another. How do you control? Most of the parents say that my child will never listen to me. That's a problem you're all facing in and out. Now here, the moment you change the brain waves, they become responsible. And I have practically seen in the past 6 months, it's doing an amazing job for the children. So I am concentrating mostly children between 5 to 12 years. This is my adults, if they are interested in the system. But I'm more concentrating on children because 5 to 12 is the right age for us to children and then living, they will move forward. It's another beautiful situation. Then comes the last. This is a very fantastic word which we have been seeing left and right. Everybody are talking about meditation, everybody are talking about meditative. For me, I don't get excited because meditation is only bringing down your calm base to a lower level. That's very simple. If you bring down your brain waves to a theta level, it's beautiful. That's meditation. You can follow any procedure, it doesn't matter. But here what happens, this machine will put you into that meditative state. It will take you into that meditative state. Now ultimately what we want our brain to be calm so that we are able to think properly, we are able to execute our day-to-day life much more easily. That's it, right? Problem solving. That happens only when you are calm. Okay, this will be the normal paradigm. If you have not seen how the brain. Okay, if you are looking at the normal brain, the nerve system there now, this is normal. But if you are under stress, what happens is everything goes into a spasm. When you are under stress, it goes into a spasm. Most